Hi everyone, my name is Nigel and today we're going to make strawberry milkshake. And as you can see in the ingredients, we have strawberries that are cut and cleaned. And what you'll see by the quantity, these are, you know those packets that you get? So these are about 3 packets of strawberries over here. Then I like to use this milk, toned milk, so it's not too heavy. There's fresh cream and there's sugar. Okay, and here's our mixie where we'll be making everything in. I have soaked these strawberries in vinegar and salt because my wife insisted that I do so. What I did was I just cut the tops and put it in soaking water. I soaked it in water with a little bit of vinegar and salt. This is just to clean it from pesticides, according to my wife. That's what she insists, that I wash the strawberries in vinegar water, and I'm just agreeing to do so. Okay, so that's vinegar, but then I make sure I wash off the vinegar taste and the salt taste, so I don't want any vinegar taste in the strawberry milkshake, but it's just to clean the strawberries. Okay, so that's the first thing, clean the strawberry, cut and clean the strawberries, and then after that you just keep all the ingredients ready. And what we're going to do is, it's a very simple recipe. You just take the strawberries, you don't even need to cut it more. If you like lumps, yeah, like some people like lumps in their strawberry milkshake. They like to get the taste of strawberries. If you don't want any lumps, then cut the strawberries a bit more so that it'll be easier for the mixie to handle. But I like lumpy strawberry milkshake. Is that what the name is? No. So I don't mind those lumps. I actually like them. So today that's what we're going to do. Okay, so what I basically do is I take a bunch of strawberries and I put it in a mixie, maybe 1 packet worth. So now I'm going to put that, and I'm going to show you how much sugar I put as well. So taking the sugar, so I basically, can you see it over here? I take a little bit and put that in. Can you see that much? So for 1 packet, that's how much sugar I put. And then I put a little bit of milk, enough to mix. And that's what I'm going to mix over here first before putting the cream. Sorry for the noise. And one more. Let's see. Okay, so that looks pretty cool. Now I put the cream. Sorry. Not much. Go away. And then I'm going to put more milk. And now I mix it, but I don't mix it for too long. Okay, so I'm basically, I put the cream, I put the milk. And that's what it looks like. Okay, and that's it, and pour it into a jug. So here we have the jug, and I pour it. Okay, so I repeat the process again. So more strawberries, just put it in, and sugar again around that same amount. 1, 2, I don't know how much that is in teaspoons or tablespoons, it's just andaza. And then milk. And now mix this. How does this look? Ah, nice. Now I put more of the cream. More milk. And mix. take this, pour it, and mix it. And repeat the process the third time. Basically, depends on how many strawberries you have. But that's it. Now again putting sugar. It goes without saying, you want it sweeter, you put more sugar. You want it less sweet, put less sugar. But because you put cream, you will need a little bit more sugar than you would typically do. Milk, mix. Okay, that looks good. Now put the cream, the remaining cream. I usually finish off the cream. I'm not so picky about which cream to use. Basically any cream in this kind of packet is okay. Maybe the Amul cream is the thickest. So even the other creams are okay. They're full creams. Basically whichever is more convenient to press and take out. Ta-da! Okay, dustbin and more milk. There's still about this much milk left. I don't use the full 1 liter. Others will become too liquidy, which I don't like. Mix. Okay, that's done. Mix a bit. So that's what it looks like. But to serve it, you need something more special. Okay, so I'm getting these glass, these big jugs, and I'm going to pour it in that. It makes the strawberry milkshake taste better. Well, let's move this way. Bah. And here's the So what you get is a really big mug of strawberry milkshake here, and even a bigger jug. And this is great for serving to people. I usually put it in the fridge now. But let me just taste how it is. Yeah. Why? Whenever I'm doing video stuff, it never comes out perfect. Okay, so this one, it's a bit too milky. I don't like it. Okay. I think I should have put less milk and maybe a little bit more sugar. But it's nice. I mean, I'm just being picky. Yeah, I would probably put a little bit more sugar and less milk, but otherwise texture, everything is fine. So here's strawberry milkshake. I'm sorry you're not here to enjoy it, but I'm going to enjoy it. Bye-bye.